What's up YouTube? Video 5 I guess. Early motivation is slowly starting to fade away, so now is the time to show the discipline. Not getting any views, not having a big process, but that's completely fine. Still in the FTMO journey, of course. Today is gonna be another recap of the last 3 trades that I took. Worked out pretty good, so I had 2 very good trades and 1 trade that was a little bit, kind of a bad execution style. But I'm gonna show you guys the trades, and I'm gonna be back with a Euro USD. So big winning trade, Euro USD. Of course, like always, waited for New York session to open, and then we saw that we are basically having a market structure shift. So we basically were in an uptrend and then broke structure right here. So we wanted to see price go up to take upward liquidity, and we marked out our liquidity zone right here. Then we spectated the lower time frame and basically saw that price was coming up back. And then this was also the trade with the pretty bad execution style. We basically waited for a break of structure on the 1 minute chart, entered our trade right here, set our stop loss above, and took a 1-to-1 ratio, 1.1 actually. And now I'm gonna show you guys how the trade went. Little correction from my side, it was actually a 1 to 2.19 ratio, so was a pretty good trade with still a bad execution, but let's just jump right in. Alright, losing trade on Euro USD. On New York session again, I can actually already tell you guys what the big problem was. It was a news day, but I still traded, so I'm still a beginner. I'm still doing these stupid mistakes, and as you guys see, it wasn't even actually a point of liquidity. I was just, searching for a trade, and usually it's like that. You have to wait for the market to give you a good setup and not create one that doesn't make any sense. So we took out this liquidity zone, and then I basically waited for a break of structure. Which we got eventually. Right here. So I don't even know why I took this trade. Let me just jump into the 1 minute chart. So I took the break of structure on the 1 minute chart, which you should never do actually. So break of structure should always be in a higher time frame. But I took that trade. I'm gonna show you guys now how it worked out. So ending with a banger, this was a very beautiful trade. It was a day where the euro was outperforming the US dollar by miles, but I saw this prominent area of liquidity, and of course what I wanted to see was a big push down after we took out the liquidity. So I went to the lower time frame and waited for a break of structure. So we came up once again, tested the liquidity once again, and then we formed a very, very beautiful fair value gap. So took that fair value gap, went into the 1 minute chart, waited for price to dip in, and then waited for a break of structure down. So this was our perfect trading setup. I think this is the most beautiful yet. Took the stop and loss above and had a 1.1 ratio as always. Was a bit higher actually. So let's jump in. So that's it. 1 beautiful trade, 2 very shitty trades actually, even if I won one of them, but I'm still excited. And of course the motivation, as I said in the beginning, is slowly fading away, and that's very good because discipline is always way more valuable than motivation. Beats motivation any day. Currently up $215 in a 10K challenge, so 2.1%, that's pretty good. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, and gonna see you in the next video.